Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between ERP Next versus Odoo. When comparing ERP Next and Odoo, both are popular open source enterprise resource planning systems. But they differ in several areas such as features, ease of use, flexibility, pricing, and community support. ERP Next is fully integrated open source ERP system designed to handle all core business processes including accounting, inventory sales, manufacturing, HR and more. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use. Key features of ERP Next is accounting, sales, purchases, manufacturing, HR, projects, inventory, CRM, etc. It's generally easier to set up and use. It provides customization via its web-based interface and framework but may be less flexible than Odoo for some complex needs. ERP Next built-in support for multi-currency, multi-language and multi-company. ERP Next known for its user-friendly interface and simplified design. It's easy for non-technical users to navigate. While it's highly customizable through its built-in tools, the overall flexibility in creating complex custom workflows or modules might be limited compared to Odoo. ERP Next is open source and free to use if you host it yourself. It offers a cloud version with paid plans for support and hosting, but the overall cost is often lower compared to Odoo, especially if you don't need advanced features. ERP Next is strong community support with a good amount of documentation, forums, and active contributors. However, it may not have as large a community as Odoo. It offers both cloud and on-premise hosting option. It also provides the option to deploy on various cloud platforms like DigitalOcean, etc. ERP Next is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. While it can scale, it might require some technical expertise for larger, more complex deployments. It has strong security features including role-based permissions, multi-factor authentication, and data encryption. It provides security patches regularly. ERP Next is best for small to mid-sized businesses looking for an affordable, simple-to-use ERP system. While Odoo is highly modular ERP system with a wide range of apps to cover almost every business function from sales and CRM to project management, HR, accounting and beyond. Odoo has both an open source version and an enterprise version with additional features. Odoo modules extremely extensive range of apps including everything from accounting, CRM, sales, project management, e-commerce, website builder, POS, HR, marketing, etc. Odoo is highly customizable and extendable with its modular approach. Some advanced features like advanced reporting, more integration options, and premium support are available in the enterprise version. Odoo is strong integration with third-party apps and services, example shipping, email, etc. Odoo has a more modern and polished interface, but because of its extensive features, the learning curve can be steeper, especially when integrating several modules. Odoo is highly modular and allows for deep customization. You can add or remove modules as needed, and it has a robust developer community for building custom features. Odoo's open source version is free, but the enterprise version comes with licensing fees based on the number of users and features you need. This can become more expensive as you scale and add more modules. One of the largest and most active open source ERP communities, Odoo also has a huge network of partners who provide commercial support, training, and development services. Odoo can be deployed on premise or in the cloud, and Odoo's cloud offering Odoo.sh is a managed service for easy deployment. Odoo extremely scalable and can be used by businesses of all sizes from small startups to large enterprises, thanks to its modular nature and enterprise level features. Odoo also has a solid security framework including user roles and access control, but its enterprise version offers more in terms of support for security. Odoo is best for large businesses or organizations that need a highly customizable, modular, and scalable solution. It is best for companies that need advanced features, integrations, and third-party support. So basically, this is the difference between ERP Next and Odoo. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.